Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to hide caller ID on iPhone. So before you begin, just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So what I'm going to see, or what to know the caller ID, you can just go ahead right here to your phone and just go ahead to the keypad right here. And if you type like, let's say for example, a number, right? And you type like something like that, you're gonna see the number for that person, right? Or you're gonna see the name of that person. That's the caller ID. Now if I wanted to hide it, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen and go ahead to the main settings, scroll a little bit down, and click the phone. Scroll a little bit down as well. You're gonna see the calls section and you're gonna see show my caller ID. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click on it, and basically you're gonna see a toggle on or toggle off. Just toggle it off. In my case, I don't want to toggle it off. Just go ahead and toggle it off, and basically what's gonna happen after you toggle it off, you're gonna just go back to apply the settings, go back to your screen, and just basically when you type the number, it won't appear to you. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.